So you're thinking about canceling Leaply. Maybe you forgot you had it. Maybe you signed up curious and never really got started. I get it. That happens with a lot of apps. But before you go, and I promise I'll show you exactly how to cancel before this video ends, I want to take just a few minutes to show you what this app actually does. But I think a lot of people cancel Leaply for the same reasons they cancel a gym membership. Not because it doesn't work, but because they never really started. I've been using it, I've gone through the quiz, done the daily practices, and it stuck with me for weeks. And I want to give you an honest, no hype look at what it is and what it is not. And then, yes, exactly how to cancel if you still want to. Let's get into it. First, what is Leaply? Really think of it as a daily micro routine for your body and mind. Every day, the app gives you one short guided practice, 5 to 15 minutes. You just follow along and move with your day. It's designed around the idea that small, consistent actions add up. And honestly, after a few weeks of just showing up and doing the thing, you start noticing real shifts in how your body feels. There are 3 main plans. One focused on lymphatic health, one on nervous system regulation through the vagus nerve, and one designed for kids specifically around focus and emotional regulation. I've been using the lymphatic and vagus nerve program, so that's mainly what I'm going to walk you through. When you open Leaply for the first time, you don't get dropped into a library. Before using it, you take a short quiz. It asks things like, what's your main goal? Energy, digestion, less tension, better sleep. How do you feel physically right now? What does your typical day look like? This matters more than it sounds. Most wellness apps give you a library of 200 videos and hope you figure out what's relevant to you. Leaply builds your plan from your answers. The practice you are shown today is shaped by what you told the app when you started. It's not magic, but it's the difference between walking into a gym alone versus having someone hand you a specific plan and say, start here. Okay, so once you are set up, this is what your day looks like inside the app. Today, mine is showing active lymphatic breath. It's about 6 minutes. I tap start and it walks me through it movement by movement with clear visuals and timing. Here's what I can say about the practice itself. It's designed to support lymph flow through gentle manual techniques. Nothing extreme, nothing painful, but you feel something, a kind of release, a slight shift, not dramatic after one session, but real after the session ends. The app logs your streak and shows you what's coming tomorrow. The structure is weekly and your practices build on each other through the week. That's intentional. Here is some context that helps me take this serious. The lymphatic system is your body's drainage network. It handles fluid balance, immune response, and waste clearance. But unlike your cardiovascular system, it has no pump. It moves through muscle contraction and movement. If you sit a lot, or you are under stress, or you don't sleep well, lymph can actually stagnate. That shows up as puffiness, bloating, fatigue, brain fog, or that heavy feeling in your legs or face. Leaply's lymphatic reset plan is built on technique from movement physiology adapted into something you can actually do at home in 10 minutes. I'm not saying it replaces anything clinical. The app is clearly about that too. But as a daily maintenance practice, it's been genuinely useful to me. Here's the thing I want to say directly to anyone watching this who signed up and then kind of drifted away. You won't feel transformed in a week. That's not the point. Leaply is not selling you a transformation in 7 days. The entire project is designed around consistency, not a single session, but showing up day after day. It builds a habit. Think about what actually changes your body or your nervous system. It's not one good workout. It's not one salad. It's the consistent small actions repeated over weeks that actually compounds into something different. Leaply is built to make that easy. One practice a day, a streak to protect, a weekly structure that progressively builds. The people who get real results are the ones who come back for 30 days straight, not just 3 days. If you signed up and did 2 sessions and then stopped, you didn't really try Leaply. You try the onboarding process. That's not a guilt trip. That's just the honest framing. The app does its job, but it needs you to show up every day. Quick mention for parents watching. There is also Leaply for Kids program. It's built around brain activation exercises, short playful daily routines designed to support a child's focus, emotional regulation, and attention, not a passive screen. not entertainment. The child does something every day together with you, movement-based, sensory integrated, short enough that it's not a battle. If your kids struggle with emotional regulation, attention, or winding down after school, it's worth a look. The concept is solid and the daily structure is exactly what makes it different from one-off activities. Check the link in the description for more on how the kids program works. Alright, I promised you this at the beginning of this video, so here it is. If you decided Leaply isn't for you right now, here is exactly how to cancel. The first option is to cancel inside the app. Open the Leaply app, go to settings, look for membership info. From there, you will see the option to manage or cancel your plan. Alternatively, you can email the Leaply support team at support@theleaply.com with your account details. They process all requests quickly, typically within minutes, and will confirm once your subscription is updated. That's it. Simple and no hidden steps. Now, here's the honest truth about why most people cancel apps like this. It's not because it didn't work, it's because they never gave it a real chance. 2 sessions, 3 sessions, a week of good intentions, and then life happened. And the frustrating thing is that exactly when the app was just getting started, that's when they cancelled. The practices in Leaply are designed to build on each other. Week 1, your body is just learning the movements. Week 2, you are doing them without thinking. By week 4, you are noticing energy shifts, less tension in your neck, waking up without the heavy morning fog, and you don't feel that after 3 days of just using the app. You feel it after maybe 20 to 30 days. So if you watch this whole video and you are still on the fence, don't cancel. Give it 30 real days, 1 practice a day, that's it, and see what happens. And if after 30 days it's still not for you, you know exactly how to cancel. The link to Leaply is in the description of this video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. I review apps, tech, and tools that are actually worth your time. See you in the next video.